Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can organize your jewelry. And let me tell you guys something. A lot of us as a fact don't like to stay organized, but when we do organize our stuff we tend to realize that it makes our life so much easier. So today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so for this project you can just get a pair of shoes that you wear like once a year for a wedding, or any spare pair of shoes, whichever you have. Some foam sheet. So what we're gonna do is just simply roll the foam sheet just like that, and until you have a desired thickness you like, which is approximately that much, I would say. And then just simply hold it like that and then just cut it. Yeah, so what you're gonna do now is just apply some sellotape just here. Don't worry about the sellotape because this part is gonna be at the bottom of the shoe, so you won't be able to see it anyway. And yeah, just like that. So make several rolls like that. So at the end, I just wanted to suggest to you guys, I know I've opened like a shoe which has an opening from the back, but I would suggest you strongly to get a shoe which has like which is closed from the back, because when you put the foam on the shoe, you can actually stick it like just around there, and it's not gonna get out. Like over here I had to stop, as you can see. So yeah, this shoe is much better for this task. the end of the video, I just want to say thank you so much guys for watching. I love you so much, and you always should know that. And to those who have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe on the link down below, and also join me on Facebook and Instagram. And until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.